Now student, I am going to start your new chapter, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So first I am discuss about what is quadratic equation. Just introduction of quadratic equation. Introduction of quadratic equation. So quadratic equation, its general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is non-zero real number, a is non-zero real number and bc are real number. Its general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. अगर हम डिग्री की बात करें so its degree is 2. Its degree is 2, so it has two solutions because its degree is 2. So it have two solutions, that is two zeros or roots. Two solutions may be real, may be imaginary, but necessarily it has two solutions, may be real, oblique imaginary. So it is quadratic. It is quadratic ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a must be non-zero. Let's suppose a is equal to 0 and b is not is equal to 0. So if a becomes 0, so ax square term will be eliminated and quadratic equation becomes, in this case, quadratic equation becomes, because a is 0, so ax square, this term becomes 0. So only you have two terms in this quadratic equation expression bx plus c. So quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c becomes linear. That is why a must be 0. It is necessary that it should be 0. So what are the solutions? What are the solutions of quadratic equation? Now, solution. Your quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is not is equal to 0. Because of a is non-zero, so you could divide it by a. So divide by a because a is non-zero. So it becomes x square plus b by ax plus c by a. This is equal to 0. Now for solving it, because here coefficient of x square becomes unity, so first you should make it a perfect square by method of completing square. So by perfect square, so if you want to make it a perfect square, then you should have to add square of half of the coefficient of x and subtract also. So add and subtract square of half of coefficient of x. It means this becomes x square plus b by ax. Here coefficient of x is b by a, so its half is b by 2. Its square is b square by 4a square. Same quantity added and subtracted plus c by a is equal to 0. Now this three terms becomes a perfect square of, that is x plus b by 2a whole square. Now the remaining two terms transpose towards right, b square by 4a square minus c by a. So it is b square, by taking LCM it becomes b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Now because of left hand side it is square term, so taking square root both side, taking square root both sides, so x plus b by 2a become, because square root gives two values, so plus minus square root b square minus 4ac by square root 4a square. So x is equal to transpose b by 2a to right, it becomes minus b by 2a and plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. It means it is minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. It is your solution. So here are two solutions. First by taking positive sign and second by taking negative sign. So x is minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a, as well as minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let x is minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2. Let it is represented by alpha and it is represented by beta. Here the quantity b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. It's called discriminant of quadratic equation. Discriminant of quadratic equation and denoted by d, that is b square minus 4ac. So it is discriminant of quadratic equation b square minus 4ac. X is alpha and beta. So alpha beta are solution. So alpha beta are solution or zero of quadratic equation. X is alpha, that is minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and x is beta, which is minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. These two are zero or roots. These two values of x alpha and beta are called zero or roots. Now sum of zeros. What is sum of zero? That is, what is alpha plus beta? It is minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a and plus minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So it becomes, this quantity goes to cancel out because denominator is same, minus b minus c minus 2b. So it is minus b by a. And you know what is minus, what is b? B is the coefficient of x and a is coefficient of x square. So alpha plus beta is minus times of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, means sum of 0 is minus times of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. What is product? Product of zeros means alpha into beta minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a multiplied by minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So using the identity x plus y and x minus y, it becomes minus b whole square and minus of b square minus 4ac by 4a square. So b square minus and b square plus goes to cancel out. So it is 4ac by 4a square. So 4 goes to cancel out and another a goes to cancel out. So c by a. What is c? C is constant in the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c, and a is coefficient of x square. So it is your product of roots or product of zero. Now difference of zeros or difference of roots, difference of zeros, it means alpha minus beta. You know difference, word difference of zero. So here you can take alpha minus beta as well as beta minus alpha, because alpha minus beta or beta minus alpha both are same. Alpha minus beta and beta minus alpha both are same. So first we are going to find out alpha minus beta, that is minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus of minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So it is alpha minus beta minus minus plus. So this is plus b, this is minus b, goes to cancel out, and minus minus plus. So this is 2 times of, it means square root b square minus 4ac by a. It is square root d by a. What is beta minus alpha? In the same manner, beta minus alpha is square root d by minus a. But which one will be correct? So for difference, you have to take modulus, absolute value of alpha minus beta. That will be square root d by mod of a. It is the difference of the zeros of quadratic equation, and zeros are alpha and beta. Here you have two solutions, alpha, beta, and their sum, product, and difference. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. It's your quadratic question. And zeros are alpha is minus b plus square root d by 2a, and beta is minus b minus square root d by 2a, and sum of zeros alpha plus beta minus b by a, product of zeros alpha into beta, that is c by a, and difference of zeros alpha minus beta, it's because difference, so it will be beta minus alpha also. So this is square root d by mod of a. It is your solution of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Now nature of roots of ax square plus bx plus c, you know, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Its roots are alpha and beta, and discriminant d is b square minus 4ac. Nature of roots means what are the roots, means roots are real or imaginary. If real, then what it will be, rational or irrational. So roots are completely depend on b square minus 4ac discriminant. So suppose discriminant d is negative. If discriminant d is negative, it means square root d is an imaginary number. Square root d is included in alpha and beta both. So roots are imaginary. Let's suppose d is equal to 0. It means b square minus 4 is 0. Then roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. And equal if root real and equal. So alpha beta is a finite quantity, that is minus b by 2a, means both the roots are minus b by 2a. If d is positive, means d is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal, means different. Roots are real and unequal. Suppose d is positive, but a, b, c are rational. D is positive, A, B, C are rational, and D is not a perfect square. If D, A, B, C are rational and D is not perfect square, in this case A, B, C are rational and D is not a perfect square, then roots are irrational. In this case, roots are irrational, and in conjugate pair. Conjugate pair means roots are like a plus root b and a minus root b, or simply we say that not in form of a and b, that is roots like p plus square root q and p minus square root q. Both numbers are in conjugate pair. But if a, b, c are rational and d is perfect square, then roots are rational. roots are rational. But suppose A, B, C are not all rational, सबके सब rational नहीं, and D is non-perfect square, then roots are irrational but not in conjugate pair. Then roots may be irrational and not in conjugate pair. Means roots are irrational but not in conjugate pair. Maybe rational means one root may be rational, one is irrational, but not in conjugate pair. So these are the nature of the roots. Means roots are completely depend on discriminant D. Here are the some problem on the nature of root. Question number 1. Obtain nature of roots of this quadratic equation. Question number 1. 2x square minus 7 root 3x plus 15 is equal to 0. Here, if we will compare it with ax square plus bx plus c0, a is 2, b is minus 7 root 3, and c is 15. So what will be discriminant? T is equal to b square minus 4ac, means minus 7 root 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 15, minus 7 root 3 whole square means 49 into 3 minus 4 into 2 into 15 is 120. So this is positive 27, means roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. Now solution of second. 5x square plus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. Here a is 5, b is 7, and c is minus 6. So discriminant D is b square minus 4ac, that is 49 plus 5 into 4 into 6, 49 plus 120 is 169D, means this is positive, as well as this is perfect square, and also A, B, C are rational. So roots are real and unequal because D is positive. Also real and unequal. Also because D is perfect square and A, B, C are rational. Also rational and unequal. Now for the question number 3. X square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. A is 1, B is minus 4, and C is 1. So discriminant B square minus 4AC is 16 minus 4 A into C, that is 4 into 1 into 1, it is 12. This is positive, means roots are real and unequal because D is positive. As well as 12 is not a perfect square number and A, B, C are rational. So roots are irrational, real but irrational, and in conjugate pair, according to nature of root. Now for the question number 4. 4x square plus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. A is 4, B is 12, C is 9. So D is B square minus 4AC, that is 144 minus 144, it is 0, means roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal, and it is minus B by 2A, that is minus 12 by 8. This is minus 3 by 2. Both the roots are minus 3 by 2. So now you should have to try question number 4.